How to play Steam games offline. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily play Steam games in offline mode. Let's just get right into it. First thing first, you need to open up Steam and make sure that you're logged into your account. Then you need to have some games in your library to be able to play it. Go to library, and on the left hand side you should see a list of games that you have on your library. And if you have the game installed, for example, Call of Duty is here, you just install the game and have it on your device. And go to the Steam icon at the top left, click on it. You'll have an option to go offline over here. Tap on Go Offline, and then you'll have this play button right here. If it's an online game, you won't be able to do that, but if there are other games that you could play offline with other players, you should be able to join that and play the game offline. And once you are done, you can just tap on Go Online right here to go back online on Steam. That's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below, subscribe to our channel. I'll see you guys in the next one.